Today we are taking a closer look at this solar light. I did receive it as a gift, and in this video I'd like to show you what comes in the box, how to use it, and just share my overall thoughts about it. And here's what we have included in the box. We have our solar light, we have this Octopus tripod, a mounting plate, some screws for installation, and we have USB Type-C charging port. So this solar light can be both charged by solar power and also by electricity. I really like that we have the flexibility like this. I personally love this Octopus tripod because you can bend it whichever way you need. You can attach it to the hood of your car, on the fence, in a gazebo, on a tree, anywhere really. Or you can even set it up like this. It is very convenient. I absolutely love it. I think this is great solar light to take with you to the camp, to keep it in your car. But just remember, because it is solar panel, you want to make sure that you either charge it by electricity or give it at least 4 to 6 hours of direct sunlight for the battery to be charged. I think this is very nice product. I absolutely love it. Totally recommend it.